Welcome guys. Let's do ADA technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And if you want to get these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses absolutely free. These bonuses are tradable. Just register your account, deposit your initial money, and after that get these bonuses and trade with only these bonuses. Put your seed money away and trade with only these bonuses. That is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and let's dive into the content. This is ADA USDT pair for our Binance chart, and here you can see it was in this downtrend, and this is main trend line, and after that here you can see it broke this, but it is facing a resistance is at $2.07 to 10 cents price area. Once it broke this area, in that case, according to this support and resistance base, our target will be same area, $2.20. This will be our first target and second target will be this area. But before this, it have to break $2.10 price area. Let me please show you volume. Volume is missing. We need strong volume confirmation, but unfortunately volume is very much low. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are above from EMA ribbon. That is a good sign, but we have to wait for the next big move until maybe it will be move sideways. Let me please show you RSI. This is 4 hourly RSI and it is turning towards downside and it is at 50. If it goes below 50, in that case price can go down. Otherwise, if it crosses 50, in that case definitely price will boost. And let me please show you MACD. Let me please show you MACD crossover towards upside and green towers are coming in. That is the meaning that price can go up, and that is a good sign, and this is very good sign. Let me please show you ADA daily chart. This is ADA USDT pair daily chart, and ADA was in this falling wedge and broke this and hit my first target, but unfortunately after breaking hitting this target, it is now again at $2.06 right now. This is major resistance in daily is at $2.07 to $2.10. Once it broke this, in that case our first target is $2.29. Second target is this area, $2.58 to $2.60, and third target is $3 price area. Let me please mark this. Now you can see it very clearly. What are the targets? These are the targets and it can easily hit these targets, but we have to wait. This is strong support zone is at $1.85 and strong resistance now it is facing at $2.10 price area. Let me please show you volume. Volume is missing, unfortunately. We need strong volume confirmation, but there is very low volume. We need strong volume confirmation for big upside move. Daily candles are below still this EMA ribbon, and that is not good sign. Once candle closing above $2.15, in that case price will boost, and after that it will hit my 3 targets. Otherwise maybe we may see some sideways action in ADA coins chart. And let me please show you daily RSI. Daily RSI is at 48.95 and it is about to cross 50. Once it crosses 50, in that case, price definitely will boost. We have to wait until price RSI cross 50 point area. And this is the MACD and it is at crossover towards upside, but unfortunately towers are changing their color and crossover. Maybe we may see crossover towards downside. We have to wait. If this crossover happens towards downside, in that case price can go down. Until now we have to wait. And let me please show you my main indicator, which is CPR indicator, monthly CPR indicator. and here you can see these yellow lines are main CPR sport zone area, main CPR lines, and it is at $2.10 price area. Once daily candle closing above this, in that case price definitely will boost. It hit first target and hit first bullish target, and first bullish target monthly CPR target was $2.30. After that, second target is this area, 2.61, and third bullish target of this month is this area, $2.86 price area. These are monthly CPR levels. We have to check it. That is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now, hit the like button right now, and please share this video with crypto community. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Freemax $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses which are absolutely free. This is $5,680 bonus which is absolutely free. For this you have to click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these free bonuses and you can trade with these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Just put your seed money away and trade with free bonus only, and after that earn profit, and that is zero risk trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.